Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in Spring Hill, Florida, and I have 22 of my artworks in the 8600 series. These are 12 inch by 24 inches. Pardon my little bit of glare from a light I have on over there. I wanted to show you the beautiful shimmer. The Colourarte products have their Prizm pours and primary elements, and there's a 20% off coupon right below the video for anything you would want. Please, if you have questions about them or you need mixing recipes, they're under most videos, but there is also a playlist relatively updated very recently. And if you ask me for it, I'll give it to you. Simple as that. This is one of my scapes. I love the shimmer. It's not overwhelming. It would be really, really spectacular with resin, but I'm not set up to do resin. So I'm going to try and take my time with these. I love this. I just think it's so much fun. I love the little trees. I've got to get brave and make bigger trees. Bigger trees coming soon. Alright, in a moment I'm going to share with you my one book, but I have two. Obviously sharing a few cat hairs or dog hairs too with you. I love this. Should you happen to find something you'd like to inquire about the purchase of, please by all means make a note of the time you saw it on the video. That way I can help you. If you use my email address, it's easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Just ask me in the comments or contact me using that email address. Here's a copy of my book. Volume 1 anyway. Volume 2 is called Unlimited Possibilities. These are the first 100 videos I made. And if you purchase the book from Amazon, you have an option to get a $10 or $9.99 ebook that have all the links to all of the videos also. This will give you colors, mixtures, tools, and processes. So here's some more 12 by 24s. I'm hoping that they're all still in square. I'm inclined, after having a little trouble in my first video that aired June 2nd, to make sure. That looks actually pretty darn good from up here. I tried to make a keyhole swipe. That's my term. This was not one of those. Although there are a couple keyholes. Just very small, little keys. So this has tremendous texture and a really beautiful Art Deco, Art Nouveau feel to it. And actually, it looks like I decided they should go vertically. Excuse me, I got part of my clothing caught underneath the painting. Let's see if I can zoom out to the point where you can see all of that. Yeah, cool. All right, let's do it again. We'll shimmer that at you. Yeah, it does go that way, but I believe it could go either way. I love this. So simple, so fun. The color, you can't go wrong with Colourarte colors. Don't forget that 20% off coupon under the video. And I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so if you shop there with that coupon, you will help me out, and I appreciate it. Let me grab some more. My feathers are upside down. Darn. Let's turn them right side up. Let's check and see if everything is right side up. Yeah, now it's correct. Correct positioning. I decided finally to stop trying to do too many paintings in an exhibition video and just go for showing them off better. This is sort of folk art. And I've got more feathers in the future. I love this. This was the most fun. This is a combination of every method and using toothy tools and skewers, and obviously there's beautiful cells in there, so there's plenty of cell activator going on. This was a video, and I did tidy up the black lines afterwards. but I don't think they have to be perfectly exact. The colors in here are just tremendous. The colors will be listed on the videos, as will the instructions for mixing, and there are playlists, as I may have mentioned. This is a video upcoming. And the part A of this exhibition of 8600s that starts after March 1st aired June 2nd. So if you're looking for that, you can find it on my playlist's called Exhibitions. This was Dragon Kites in the Night, or some similar title, which was an awful lot of fun. I love that. The colors are tremendous. This was just a vault. This was just me really having a lot of fun playing with colors and swiping and skewers and what have you. I used Jassonia varnish in my mixtures of vivid polypore and vivid enamel, so they come out, the paints come out very glossy, shimmery. So this is just something simple. I had some gold that it didn't turn into a cell activator. Oh, I gotta show you the little devil. See the little devil's face? He's not happy. That's the polite version. And then there's this, which is just mead and black paint. And I totally love doing this. Sometimes this is how I start priming a canvas, by dribbling paint on and using my spatula. And in this case, I couldn't get rid of it because I absolutely love it. It's very calligraphic. I'm going to pull forward some 16 by 20s, hopefully. Check my focus. Make sure we're all in square and inside the range of the monitor, which I can't assume we are, but we are, thank goodness. This is a video that's upcoming, and this is a tremendously beautiful piece. And this was 2 stages. But this is, I don't know what that is. That's a chip of paint. And that's got to go. I'm not sure where it came from, but I'm pretty sure I can get it off. Because the Jassonia varnish makes the vivid polypores tough, and that will come off. Anyway, this is, oh my gosh, I love this piece. This is just so gorgeous. I'm going to let you stare at that for a second and move some of my paintings out of the way so I can continue without interruption. One more. Yeah, I love this. That's one of the ones, if I never sell it'll be okay. These are a ball. I'm going to do more of these. I noticed people really love these. I checked on the analytics and they were through the roof. So if you like spatula pours, you should expect more, because it's the most fun thing that I do for me, are spatula pours. This was just me playing with tilting colors, and the colors are so beautiful from Colourarte. You really can't go wrong, not in my opinion anyway. This is a party on canvas. To say the least. Spring fling. Really party. And this was, I can't remember what I called this, but I do love it. It's got tremendous texture, and it just looks like a cityscape off in the distance. Somebody else saw a cabin in the woods. I think everybody sees something different in this. And this was Stairway to Heaven, which is a very popular video, and that's the right way up. And then I just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more paintings, and we will be done. But I will shimmer that at you. I'd like to do a few more in this series. I'm definitely not done. I have paintings that are done in my own personal abstract expressionist most fun moment style, which is this. I totally love this. This is my kind of party. I love the black, I love the white, I love the colors, I love the shapes, and it's all down to Colourarte. The Prizm pours are mostly in these earlier paintings from the beginning of March, but more recently I've been using the primary elements, and they're not hard to mix. I recommend them highly, and you'll have a ball. Let's make sure everything can be seen. I have a little dust on my black, and anytime a painting goes out to somebody, they have an option of having a spray coating of semi-gloss to protect the artwork. So, I have one of my all-time favorite toothy tool overs. I love everything about this. I love the texture, I love the patterns, I love the colors. Oh, I missed one. Huh. Anyway, I'll shimmer that at you. That's, oh, I just love this. That's just tremendous. If you need a price, contact me using my email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I price things. Gallery wrapped canvases are a little more money than regular 3/4 inch. They're 2 inches wide, but other than that, I price mostly. Formula is by the inch, square inch. This is another one of those black and whites where I started and I couldn't destroy what I had. I just love that. And last but not least is my so-called geometric, which is a ball. I may be having a flood sale because I had a horrible incident with 15 boxes of paintings under a leaky roof. So whatever's salvageable may be on sale soon. So you should expect to hear about that. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. My videos post at 3:15 Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week, and occasionally I double up, but mostly if you share them and like them, you help me out. If you make a donation through PayPal, you are helping produce videos in my studio. If you need my email address, I've given it to you twice, but it's probably on the link tree. The link tree is underneath Show More under the video. Don't forget the 20% off coupon code. And on the link tree, you'll also find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Under the video, you're going to find spring clothing. I got to cross out the word T over there because they took that off of their title. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. Thank you guys for everything, for your kind words and your comments that keep my morale boosted. And thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. I really appreciate that. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and I will see you anon, hopefully tomorrow. Tell your friends. And when you want a painting, remember, everything is reproducible on FineArtAmericaPixels.com, Spring Clothing, Society 6, and what am I missing? There are others. But anyway, you don't have to buy an original. Buying an original would help me tremendously, but buying a reproduction is still helpful. So thank you for shopping. I appreciate that. Bye for now. Take care of yourselves. Bye. I'm going to go now. See ya. Non. Priscilla out.